In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for an Amazon job online in 2025. If you've always dreamed of working with one of the biggest companies in the world, this is your chance to learn how to navigate the online application process easily and effectively. Whether you're eyeing a tech position, a logistics role, or anything in between, the steps I'm about to show you will guide you through the process seamlessly. To start, navigate to your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page is open, you'll want to locate the sign in button, typically at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your Amazon account details. If you don't already have an account, make sure to create one as it's a necessary step to proceed with your application. Once you're on the sign in page, the first field you'll enter is your email address. After typing that in, simply click on the continue button. This will bring you to the next step where you'll need to enter your password. Remember to keep your password secure, and once entered, click on the sign in button again to access your Amazon homepage. Now that you're signed in and on your homepage, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. This is often referred to as the footer. Here, under the section titled Get to Know Us, you'll see several links. Look for and click on the Careers link. It's here that you'll be directed to Amazon's dedicated job site where all the available positions are listed. Before diving into the job listings, I highly recommend visiting the Help section, which is typically found on the top navigation bar of the Amazon jobs page. Within this section, look for a link titled Interview Tips. Going through this page will arm you with valuable insights and advice on how to make your application and interview process as successful as possible. After soaking in those tips, head back to the main careers page and locate the search icon. Clicking on it will take you to the advanced job search feature. Here, you have the option to fine-tune your search by selecting your desired country or region. This is especially useful if you're looking for positions in specific locations. Additionally, you can filter the job listings by category, helping you narrow down the search to match your skills and interests. Once you find a job post that catches your eye, click on it to view the full job description. Take your time to read through the details, and if you feel that you're a good fit, proceed to apply by following the instructions provided on the page. This process might seem a bit lengthy, but each step is designed to help you find the perfect role for you at Amazon. By following along with this guide, you'll give yourself the best chance to join their dynamic team. Good luck with your application, and I hope you land the Amazon job of your dreams.